Hello everyone. In this lesson, we are going to learn about very common irregular verb in Spanish. This is the stem change from E to IE in the present tense. So many verbs that normally have an E in their stem change this vowel to IE in most of the form. For example, entender, to understand, pensar, to think, and querer, to want. I will show you how this rule works step by step and give you some examples so you can start practicing right away. So, in Spanish, stem changing verbs are irregular because they stem change in certain forms. These verbs follow a pattern where the stem changes in all forms, except from nosotros and vosotros. As you know, this is the chart of endings for regular verbs. We're going to be using it shortly. So what is the rule saying? So if you see an E, you're going to add the I before, with the exception of nosotros o vosotros. Let's see an example. Yo pienso, tú piensas, él, ella, ustedes piensa, nosotras, nosotros pensamos, vosotras, vosotras pensáis, ellos, ellas, ustedes piensan. As you can see, before the E, you add the I in all the forms except nosotros and vosotros. For nosotros and vosotros, it doesn't change. It remains the same thing. Pensamos, no piensamos. Piensamos is going to be wrong, okay? Then, we have other verbs that follow this pattern. We have cerrar, querer, preferir, and empezar. We're going to practice. Cerrar, we already know that is to close. We're going to conjugate with the pronoun to. We're going to add the I before the E. Remember that we have to drop the ending when we are conjugating verbs. We have cier. Then we're going to add the ending for the pronoun to according to the chart. So we got AS, tú cierras. Let's see another example. Cerrar, again, the same verb. This time we're going to conjugate it with nosotros. Okay? What can you notice here? Yes, the I was not added. Why? Because it's the pronoun we. And remember, it doesn't change. Next step, we're going to add the correct simple present tense ending, which is amos. And then we got nosotros cerramos. I added the chart here, so in case that you need to see it, it's always there. We have the verb querer, to want. We're going to use the pronoun ustedes. Okay? So we have to know that ustedes is right here, right? The only ones that do not follow the rule is nosotros and vosotros, which means that this needs the I rule. So we are gonna do quiere. We're gonna add the I before the E. Now we're gonna check the ending. The verb querer ends with ER. Check the column, ER. Ustedes is right here, so the new ending should be N. So we got ustedes quieren. Next one, preferir. Ellas. Again, we have to add the I before the E. Prefier, and the ending for ellas is right here. IR verb because the ending is IR. EN, right? So we got EN. Ellas prefieren. Correct. Next one. Empezar. Vosotros. Look very carefully. Remember that vosotros and nosotros remain the same. We don't need to add the I before the E. So it's empez. Remember, we already eliminate the ending. And then we know that is AR. Is vosotros. So the ending should be IS. Vosotros empezáis. We're going to do this practice together. You can stop the video. You can do it in your notebook. Once you're done, continue with the video so you can check if you did it correctly. Okay? Now that you've finished, let's gonna review them. Yo cierro, tú, cierras, él, ella, usted, cierra, nosotras, nosotros, cerramos, vosotras, vosotras, cerráis, ellos, ellas, ustedes, cierran. Next, querer. Yo quiero, tú quieres, él, ella, usted quiere, nosotros queremos, vosotras, vosotras queréis, ellos, ellas, ustedes quieren. Next one, preferir. Yo prefiero, tú prefieres, él, ella, usted prefiere, nosotras, nosotras preferimos, vosotras, vosotras preferís, ellos, ellas, ustedes prefieren. And the last one, empezar. Yo empiezo, tú empiezas, él, ella, usted empieza, nosotros, nosotras empezamos, vosotras, vosotras empezáis, ellos, ellas empiezan. So all your answers should look like this. As you can see, the ones that are in red, we add the I before the E, and the ones that are in blue, it remains the same. Thank you for watching. I hope that you understood how does this rule works in Spanish.